Alright everybody, this is gonna be the third time of me making a video of this 2000 to 2001 Lasko Ultra 3750 box fan, which has the thermostat. The first time when I made a video of this fan, it was back in August 2014, like 3 years and 4 months ago. That was when it was really filthy, and I didn't clean or oil this fan. And over the summer, I think it was in August, like 4 months ago, I made a second video of this fan, and it was all cleaned up. I did oil the fan, but I probably didn't put enough oil in the motor, so the spin down time was very fast. But I'm just re-videoing this fan, revisiting for the third time, because I think it was on Friday, just a few days ago, I oiled up the motor on this fan, and now the spin down time is a lot better. And I'm going to show a video of this fan running, but I'll just let you guys get a look at the fan. Here's one of the sides, the back. Cool thing with this fan is that it uses the full-sized Marco motor, like the 3733 and 3723 box fans. Here's the other side. And this fan runs lower RPMs because the amperage draw is a little lower than some of the older Marco motors, because this fan draws 1.1 amp when some of the other ones, some of the older ones, draw 2.2 amps, so this one runs a little lower RPMs. But anyway, I'll turn it on for you. Here's the thermostat. I'm going to turn it all the way off. It's on. Now I'm going to engage, turn off the thermostat, and turn the fan on. Here's high. This thing is really powerful. It moves a ton of air. Right now the fan is blowing some papers right behind me, which just shows you, that these older Laskos are a lot better than the newer ones of today on the market. Here's medium. Now low. And it's very quiet on low. You can definitely, a fan like this with this quiet low speed, it definitely can make a good, definitely could make use for a good white noise when sleeping at night. It's very quiet. I'm going to go back up to high. And off. A lot longer spin down time now that it's been oiled. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. Have a good holiday coming up.